right, we want to consider just one thing, that this is splatter consolidative momentum. This is 30-minute chart. You find that the momentum is mixed, sometimes negative, sometimes positive. Means you're seeing some kind of a triangular pattern, and it also means that the traders here are usually to sell at the cycle extreme, positive cycle extreme, buy at the negative cycle extreme. So going short on a trend presumption would mean that we expect reversal at this very specific point. We could be wrong, and therefore, of course, going into the weekend, we'd only go just half size for the current shows that we're going to be selling, right? On the belief that for Bitcoin in particular, we're looking at that 30-minute chart. We're seeing, of course, heads and shoulders. So we're going to sell half size at the shoulder level. The remaining half size, according to that 4-hour chart, if we are not really correct, actually, we're just looking at the daily chart. This is the upper boundary of that leading diagonal. We could still retain or hold some reserve cash to short at the upper boundary of that leading diagonal next Monday if the market should still go higher. We're looking, of course, at any one of the 3 red arrows. They're all below level A's or internal level 1s. So whatever we're going to be doing is simply shorting right now half size on half size base, because it is possible that we can still get another spike into a shoulder. You're seeing here on that 4-hour chart, heads, and of course double shoulders to the right, double shoulders to the left. So there's still possibility to get a spike on Monday, even though the momentum plots do not show it. We just check the 30 minutes and we understand that a cycle extreme can reverse, and that this is really a flat correction and a cycle extreme could reverse. If it does reverse, it becomes a bullish trigger. Right, so let's take a look at the trade management now. So yesterday we're doing that correction into wave 2. We know that wave 1 has finished. Let's check it again on this 4-hour chart. This is, of course, a wave C down, shown on the daily, to do an A in red and a B in red, and then that wave C is going to be 5 swings. Swing 1 of them, showing A in red, is finished, and swing 2 is about finished too. Swing 1 divides into 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as shown. Swing 2 appears to be finished now, and we're going to be doing swing 3, and then swing 4 and swing 5. We're, of course, concerned with only swing 3. Should take us to 36,700, just below that neckline, or 38,000. The first wave in that swing 3 has already broken out. It is segregated here. It's shown here as 1, 2, and the 3, and 4, and 5. There should have been a correction all the way to 38.2%. 50% is 41,392, 41,767. We just only go in half size. Remaining size, if there's going to be another hit. All right. Regarding stops, they will not, of course, be met on the weekend. So unless this was not the weekend, an ordinary trading day, we would have had a stop above the head altogether. Being the weekend, we just go in half size and we reserve cash if we get higher heads to short. The first target, of course, is the neckline. We're seeing heads and shoulders, and takes us to 38,000. So we are seeing head and shoulders. That's it. And it appears that that shoulder on the right actually didn't go far enough, or is not going far enough. When we go live, we check the momentum plots. It would mean that we had a head and a shoulder and a very shorter shoulder that we may consider to short half size into, retain our remaining half size till Monday, because if this moves across the weekend, we would, of course, be missing on the opportunity. So coming to this 15-minute chart, still can expect there's going to be that correction. Maybe the market goes down lower, but according to the labels or the count shown here, I'm just doing the wave 5 down. This is the last leg of that wave 5, and at that point we're going to be doing the correction here. So again, there's a 1, 2, there's 3, 4. This is still a 5. We did an internal 1, 2, an internal 3, and a 4. Just doing that 5. We just have to be patient. Probably gonna bounce at that point to that lower level, 39. We would extend our fibs lower before the end of the day. Try and sell 50%. If we can get a sell at 50% towards the end of the day, of course 50% is about the neckline level. Sorry, about the shoulder level. If we can get that 50%, we would consider then to sell the market, but higher than current levels, hopefully. Remember again a top size so that we have the ability to add on. So we'd expect to get a shorter shoulder, and it will probably be 40,800, 40,500. Current market is 39,675. 40,800 is possible.